Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create discount codes and promotions in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and first thing that we're going to do is click here on the discount section at the left side. So click on it, and from here you could actually create a discount just by doing that. And now let's create discount by clicking this green button. And once we're done, then we can select the discount type. So there is an amount of products, amount of order, buy X get Y, free shipping. So this is basically buy one get one or buy two get one, something like that. But we're just gonna go for the product discount right here, which is amount of products right here. So this is a very simple one. So from here, we can see the method right here. So it's a discount code, but if you want automatic discount, then as you can see, then the discount code, the code right here generation, it would be gone because it's automatic. So you will just be providing the title right here. So let's just go for discount code for this one. So you have two choices. So either you type your own code, which is this is the code right here. So this is the code that I have set, or you could just click here on generate, and what this would do is that it would generate a random code for you. So this would be your discount code, so that customers would need to put this in the code section or discount code sections for them to avail the discount. So now that we're done with this, we can go with the value. So you can go for percentage or fixed amount. It depends on what you want. So if you go for percentage, you can set by 50% or whatever percent you would like, or in the fixed amount, you can set it in any currency you'd like. And you could apply it into specific collections or specific products, and you can browse it here depending on the products or collections that you have in your store. And now you have the minimum purchase requirement, so it's up to you on what you would set for this one. This is very subjective. So you could go for a minimum purchase amount, no minimum requirements, or minimum quantity of items. I think that's pretty understandable. And now here on customer eligibility, it's also up to you. And now for the maximum discount uses, so it's up to you if you would limit how much or how often the customers would be able to use this. And the combinations right here, it can be combined with product discounts or shipping discounts. So if you don't want stacked discounts, so you won't have to check any of this right here, so that it won't be combined. So once they avail this, they won't be able to combine it with free shipping or maybe product discounts right here. And of course, this is very important, to active date. So if you'd like it to only last a couple days or weeks, then you can set it right here. So you can set an end date right here or start date, or you could just not set an end date. So it would start from this date and it would go infinitely. And once you're happy with all of the settings right here, then you can just go and click here on save discount. And by the way, you can also go and check here on the sales channels that you have. So don't forget that is also very important. So click here on save discount, and as you can see, I haven't input something, so let me just go and discard this, and let's go back. And from here, yeah, you could basically do it in every type right here. So that is pretty much very understandable. It's pretty much the same right here. And that is basically how you create a discount and promotions in Shopify. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.